Here we are in San Antonio, Texas. We're spending the day at the Riverwalk. Maybe we'll visit the Alamo. Come on! Hi, this is Amy with TPF, Trips, Places, and Fun, where we show you how to have fun and exciting travel adventures. Today we are in San Antonio, Texas. We're here on Riverwalk. You can see this really cool riverboat behind me.
Hey, there's another one. They're gonna crash! Oh no! Oh.
That's awesome. It's called Go Rio. This is something I've researched ahead of time, and it can take you from the shopping district to the museum district, back and forth. You can get an unlimited day pass. So that's something we may have to check out. But we're on a trip. We're kind of doing a tour through Texas, Galveston, Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, Austin. And tomorrow we're getting on a cruise to go to Mexico. But in the meantime, we're spending the day today in San Antonio.
The Alamo is really close. Yes,
the Alamo is close. We may try to check that out and just see what there is to do and see on Riverwalk. The Riverwalk. So with these Go Rio boats, anywhere the boats pick up, you can just hop on and off if you have a day pass. So
why don't we go do that?
I don't know where to buy the tickets. I can buy them online, I've seen, but we'll have to check it out.
Okay.
We just purchased our tickets for Go Rio Narrated River Cruise. It was $13.50 a person. We're here at River Center. They have a ticket counter here. They also have a shuttle with hop-on, hop-off services. However, we didn't go with the shuttle because they said the shuttle only comes every 40 minutes to an hour, so we figured we probably wouldn't want to be waiting for the shuttle, but we did want to do the narrated cruise, which we will be taking here shortly. The narrated river cruise was a ton of fun and very informative, and I love doing it because we got to see the entire Riverwalk, which I doubt we will be able to walk on our own today. About what, 30 to 40 minutes, and a lot of fun, so highly recommended. I think it's a great value for the money. There are a ton of restaurants here, tons of shopping, but right now we're hungry, so we're gonna try to go find something to eat, but there's restaurants everywhere, so definitely no shortage of them. It's just finding something that we will all like. We're eating outside at Boudro's, so we can see the river as we eat. It's beautiful, and this place came highly recommended. It's a local place, and it looks great.
So these are some limited lunch options. They have a pretty extensive regular menu, but it's actually quite pricey, huh?
But the lunch options are very reasonable.
Yep. I got the tuna, the blackened tuna salad.
Okay, if you come here, you have to get fries. They're amazing.
Amazing fries?
And this is coming from someone who hates fries.
So I gotta tell you, man, this salad right here, ridiculously good. It's blackened yellowfish tuna salad, about 15 bucks. This restaurant's great. Boudro's, you gotta go.
After a great meal, truly awesome, we're now headed to the Alamo to see if we can take a tour there. If we can find our way. We haven't been very good at navigating through Riverwalk.
This place is like a water maze.
It is.
We're not sure where to go, but we'll get there.
We found it. So here is the Alamo behind me. We're about to walk in and see what it's all about, see what we can learn. And since the kids are off school, this will be great education for the day.
Education on vacation. An edu-vacation.
So the Alamo is more than just that church or the what you think of as the fort structure that you probably have seen pictures of and stuff like that. There's also a museum, there's also an exhibit hall, there's a gift shop, there's grounds, there's an outdoor amphitheater to see a movie. So there's a lot of things to see and do here at the Alamo. It is very much kind of a reverential type experience where they ask you to take your hats off, they ask you to be quiet because they are remembering the many soldiers who died here during the Battle of the Alamo. So it was a really cool experience. There was a lot to learn. I didn't even come close to reading everything that I could have read about it, but I found it very, very interesting, and I'm glad we stopped. Here at the Alamo, self-guided tours are free. So if you want to walk through it on your own, you're more than welcome to do that. Completely no charge. If you want a guided tour with a tour guide who can tell you a lot of history, then that is up to $15 a person. They do have discounts for military and things like that. So that's an option if you want more information, but if not, you're welcome to go through free.
And all this construction is like all over the place.
Yeah, they are attempting to preserve the church and the surrounding structures, but because it's made of limestone, you can hear the construction behind me, but because it's made of limestone, it's crumbling, so they're doing their best that they can to preserve it. There is a ton of stuff to do here by Riverwalk and the Alamo. Lots of tourist attractions. So we've got Guinness Book of World Records, the Wax Museum, Ripley's Haunted Attraction, just shopping, restaurants galore, mirror mazes, tons of stuff. So you could definitely spend a whole day here walking around with your family, choosing some of these fun attractions. A bird pooped in my hair.
Where?
I felt something fall in my hair. I thought maybe it was water, and I went like that, and it was bird poop. Is it still in there? I mean, it was right in my hair, and so I went like this, and it was all in my hand. Ugh, I thought it was water, and then I went like this, and it was bird poop. Ugh.
Look, right up there. He's up there somewhere.
We had a great day at Riverwalk. It is so beautiful here. And at Christmas time, I hear they light up all these lights that they have up and down. So you can see them kind of hanging from the trees. Not sure if John can pick those up on camera. But they have a lighting where all those are lit simultaneously. And then they have a Christmas parade that goes up and down Riverwalk. I would love to see that. We won't be here for that, unfortunately. But if you are here at Christmas time, I bet it is absolutely gorgeous.
And you know what? You actually got me really super excited because you said that you would actually live in an urban area like this. I've always wanted to live downtown.
Yeah, I have always said that an urban area would not be my thing, but I actually wouldn't mind living in an apartment right above Riverwalk and being able to come down and walk along the river. It's really beautiful. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day, everybody. Safe travels, everyone.
Now we're going to Galveston. Yeah?
Yep, here we go.
Time to cruise.